soft strumming of acoustic guitar, subtle synth pads building a gentle atmosphere, light percussion adding texture. There's a place where the sea touches stone, a world where the winds have softly flown. You look ahead and you feel it too, the weight of the world and the things you knew. Every step leads us further away from the things we thought we could hold today. But the time has come to make it real and feel the heartbeat of the open field. We're chasing the horizon, running to something unknown. We'll break free from the chains that we've grown, and we'll find a way back to where we belong. The horizon is waiting and it's calling us home. Underneath the stars we find our way, through the fog we've got something to say. No more doubts, no more fear in our eyes. We will rise up no matter the skies. The winds may change and the tides may fall, but we'll stand tall, we'll risk it all. We've come so far and we won't back down. With every step, we'll reach higher ground. We're chasing the horizon, running to something unknown. We'll break free from the chains that we've grown, and we'll find a way back to where we belong. The horizon is waiting and it's calling us home. Is this the moment we've been waiting for? When the world opens wide and we find the door,